हाय एवरीवन। माय नेम इज़ गौरव मल्लोई और आज हम कंटिन्यू करने वाले हैं डेटा साइंस विथ पाइथन का लेक्चर नंबर 11। और आज का हमारा टॉपिक है लॉजिस्टिक रिग्रेशंस मॉडलिंग। लॉजिस्टिक रिग्रेशन इज a statistical models used for binary classification task where the dependent variables has two possible outcomes such as 0 1, yes and no, or true or false. It predicts the possibilities that a given input belong a particular class using the logistic functions which map the values between 0 and 1, the most calculated in a linear combinations of the input features, and apply the sigmoid functions to a compute the probability of the target variables belonging to a class 1. If a probability ex- exceed the threshold, the observations is a classified and class 1, otherwise it is a classified as class 0. Logistic regression assumes first, the relationship between the independent variables and the log odds of the dependent variables is linear. No multicollinearities among predictors. The data is independent. Evaluate metrics including accuracy, precision, recall, F1 scores, and ROC/AUC scores. Logistical regression is widely used in applications like spam emails detections, disease diagnosis, and credit risk analysis due to the simplicity, interpretability, and effectiveness. It can also be extended to multi-classes classification uses techniques like one versus rest or multi-nominal logistical regressions. Now our next topic is how to perform logistical regressions using Python. Logistical regressions in is a commonly used algorithm for binary classification task. Here step-by-step guide in implementations in using Python's SCI kits learn libraries. First, to import necessary libraries, import pandas as PD. Uh, Now simple dataset, convert the data frame. Step 1, splitting the data sets. Second, fitting the logistical regressions models. Third one, making predictions. Fourth is evaluating the models. Fifth one is plotting the ROC curve. And step explained. Data preparation. The dataset is split into training and testing sets. Model fitting. Logistic regressions is used to fitting the model on the training data. Predictions. The model prediction class labels why predictions and probabilities why predict probability. Model evaluations. Accuracy first, measure overall correctness. Second one is confuse matrix. So true positive, true negative, true false, and true negative. Classifications report provide precisions. Recall F1 scores, ROC, AUC. Evaluate models performance. Consistency. All classifications thresholds. Visualization: the ROC curves visualize the trade-off between sensitive and effect specif- specificity. How to perform Poisson regression using Python. Poisson's regression is used for modeling count data and appropriated when the dependent variables represent the numbers of events occurring in the fixed intervals of the times or space. It assumes that the response variables y following a Poisson distribution and the mean of the response variables is a function of the independent variables. Import necessary libraries, ठीक है, and then sample dataset, convert the data frame, okay, and then fit the model using state models Step 3 is model summary. Fourth is predictions, evaluating goodness of fit using divines. Step explain. Define the data. First one is use a dataset with a count variables as depend variables and continuous or categorical independent variables. Specify the models. Use state models dot formula dot api dot Poissons to specify the formula of Poisson's regressions. Fit the model. The models is fitting using maximum likelihood estimate (MLE). Model summary. The summary model provide coefficients, standard errors, and significant levels for the predictions. Use the fitting models to predict the expected count values. Goodness, goodness of fits, divines and nulls, divines access, and the models fit of the data. 11th टॉपिक भी अपना खत्म होता हुआ. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.